In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error opening file for writing during installation in Windows 10 and 11. So first thing you can try is basically to run it as administrator. Let's say I want to install this folder. I would right click and run as administrator. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then right click, properties, compatibility, and run compatibility troubleshoot. Here it might look for some suggested help options for you. So what you can do is just follow through the help options and see if this could work. Sometimes it would recommend some recommended settings that you can just go through and see if this helps you. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then so your next option is to basically go here and type in control panel, and here you want to type in control. So once you type control, you want to go to change user account control settings. Here you want to drag this and make it lower, because if you made it lower it would help in the settings. So it's recommended just do it here and then click OK and see if that fixes your issue. So now your last option, if still having issues, you can go to that folder and then right click and go to properties, and here you want to go to security, and here go to edit and add advanced, find, and here you want to select the everyone. So this is the one, select it and then click OK, and then click OK, select everyone and make sure you select full control. So after you do this, you want to basically click apply and then OK, and then you want to here click apply and OK, and after that hopefully this should fix your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.